Hello there and welcome to Hyundai Power Equipment. My name's Adrian and today we're going to look at the HYBV3000E blower vacuum. Specifically on this unit we do get asked how to clear any blockages, so I'll go through that now. As with any electrical equipment, the first thing to do is unplug the unit from the mains for your own safety. First of all, we'll remove the catch bag from the machine. On the underside, if we simply push this lever downwards away from the machine, the bag will come off and away. There's a lip here and a lip here, a slot here and a slot here. To replace it, simply fit the front slot in the hole and push back into position, and that is now firmly attached. So we can remove the catch bag. We can open the flap using the directional switch on the side of the machine, and any debris that's stuck in here we can simply get out, no problems at all. More difficult, however, is to get any debris that's caught in the tube out. We'll show you that next. So to remove debris from the tube, firstly we can extend the tube to its fullest limit, and then you will see that there are 3 screws at the highest point on the moving part. One here, one in the center and one at the bottom. To remove the upper tube from the lower tube, we can simply loosen off these 3 screws. You just bring them into shot there. 1, 2, and the third one here with the little switches. Now the outer tube will simply pull away from the upper tube. Any debris in the outer tube can be cleaned out quite simply. You can get your hand in there to pull out any debris, no problem. And much the same, and as I said before, remove the plug from the mains. You can get your hand up inside to remove any debris that might get trapped in the upper tube. So having removed the debris from the 2 halves, we simply line up the top and bottom again, pushing on the trigger on the top to get the little release mechanism out of the way, and it's back in place. Once it's back in place, again we can retighten the 3 little screws. The bottom one, the central one, the one on the top by the little release catch, and that's the unit ready to use again. I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit hyundaipowerequipment.co.uk.